decent and seeing some sunshine out there right now. But how's the rest of your weekend shaping up? All those details coming up.
October, I feel like, Jen, people just get happier when October is near.
That's exactly right. You're starting to get little tastes of fall out there. I know that all the stores, the restaurants are coming out with some of those fall flavors. Activity, it's staying further towards the south of us, just offshore at this time, but we will start to see some of that cloud cover moving in later on today. So we'll start to notice more of that by this afternoon, but looking in just a little bit closer, seeing those clear sunny skies, there's more of those clouds beginning to develop just closer towards our coastal areas. But as you do take a look at the temperatures, currently mid to upper 70s, possibly even some lower 80s out there right now. 82 in Mobile and 80 in Lucedale, and then 80 in Pensacola. But the dew points out there, if you notice this morning, Chelsea had mentioned earlier that she needed a light jacket stepping out the door. I did as well. But right now we're starting to see those resting in the lower to mid 60s, possibly some upper 60s, but only expecting these to stay the same or even fall just slightly heading into today. So feeling better, but still warming up. Yesterday we saw increased cloud cover, so that really kept us cool heading into the afternoon. Now we're starting to see temperatures warm back up today with more of this sunshine in abundance. Expecting us to be maxing out in the mid to upper 80s, dipping down to the 70s, however, by 8 o'clock. So in case you do have any evening plans, right here is really when it's going to start to feel better out there, especially with some of that lower humidity. Now, tracking the tropics, we do have two areas that we're monitoring at this time. Two name systems, that's it. No even areas that we're watching, but we do have Tropical Storm Rina, 45 miles per hour, right behind Philippe. Expected to keep that tropical storm strength heading into the weekend before fizzling out into a remnant low by the second half of your Sunday. Now, Philippe, a little bit different, right in front of Rina. Rina even in the track there. But what we're starting to see is sustained winds, the same, very slow moving, 2 miles per hour. Expected to take a southerly dip before tracking north heading into midweek next week, keeping that tropical storm strength. Again, the Gulf is quiet at this time. We're not monitoring anything else, but that could change as hurricane season does go until November 30th. But coming up in just a little bit, I'm going to talk more about our forecast here locally heading into the weekend, plus also what your Friday night football forecast looking like. All that's coming up soon. Chelsea. And also keeping a close eye on your forecast. Let's talk about today's temperatures. Well, yeah,
it makes sense. Just hold on.
Okay, hold on, because I want to know what that is too. Well, going ahead and taking a look at your forecast heading into today.
Is that a heart?
Amazing.
At the end?
Yeah, it looked like a heart. We actually do have kind of something like this.
Yeah.
I did a shoot with my friend Janelle with Sandcastle University. She has classes on Orange Beach and in Gulf Shores.
So much patience, so much attention to detail. So cool.
Oh, man, Jen, I can't imagine.
I know. I'm going to have to go look up what each finished project looked like at the end of that. Very, very cool, and love to see our own additions here on the Gulf Coast. Well, going ahead and taking a look at your forecast right now. Hey, maybe you want to head out, go build a sandcastle out.
It's coming down that an arrest has actually been made in the murder of Tupac Shakur, which took place 27 years ago. So we'll continue to keep an eye on updates for that story.
That arrest was in Las Vegas, correct?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep, Las Vegas.
So we'll keep you updated right here on Fox 10.
Yep. And so let's go ahead and take a final look at your forecast heading today on Friday, bringing in the best chances.
That's tough on Friday nights with football.
But still 7 days. Yep.
Yeah.
We still got a little bit.
We'll figure it out.
Have a great weekend, everybody. Thanks for watching.